Hey y'all, I am back and it is day 5 of Burnout Week. And we made it. We absolutely made it. And I'm so proud of you if you have been following along with me every day and incorporating the items that I have been giving you, all the gems I've been giving you. So if you have been, congratulations, I'm proud of you. So now your next steps is protecting your peace and practicing self-love daily. I'm Shanti Refuge, aka your journal bae and founder and CEO of Shanti Refuge Journals. So when I finally started choosing myself, people noticed. Some clapped, some clowned, and some disappeared. But you know what I realized? The people who love the burnout version of you won't know how to handle the healed version of you. And that is okay. You're not meant to stay tired just so other people can stay comfortable. You were not put on this earth to be everybody's peace but your own. So today we are closing the week out with action, not perfection, not another to do list, just small, loving steps toward you. So I'm going to give you 3 steps to protect your peace starting today. One, create a daily non negotiable. One thing you do for you every day, no matter what. It could be 5-minute meditation, 10-minute walk, prayer, journaling, tea, and silence. Just one thing that you do for you every day. I don't care what's going on. I don't care if your building on fire. Take some time out for you. Number 2, remove one energy leak. Identify one thing you've been doing out of guilt, not love, and let that shit go. That's an energy leak. Get rid of it. And number 3, speak to yourself with compassion. At least once a day, say something kind to yourself out loud. Don't just think it, say it out loud. Like me, I constantly walk past the mirror when I'm in a restroom or passing, whatever mirror I see. I be like, "Oh, girl, you is fine." And I mean that shit. You could do the same thing. So here's your journaling prompt to end this week. What does protecting your peace look like this week? What's one boundary, one ritual, and one affirmation you can start with? If you're ready to build a lifestyle rooted in self love, restoration, and peace, mastering mental wellness will help you create systems that honor your energy and your worth. Sign up today when you go to shantirefuge.com. And y'all see the website up there. So, no excuses. And I will see y'all next week.